Have you ever wondered how the wealthy manage to stay rich, seemingly effortlessly? In this video, we will delve into the intriguing world of unspoken money secrets that keep the wealthy wealthy. These lesser-known financial habits are often overlooked, but play a crucial role in the financial success of the affluent. Picture this: a world where money flows effortlessly, where financial worries are a thing of the past. This is the reality for those who have mastered the art of these unspoken money secrets. But what are these secrets, and why are they so elusive to the average person? Join us as we uncover the mystery and intrigue surrounding the financial strategies of the wealthy. From hidden investment tactics to unconventional saving methods, we will explore the habits that set the wealthy apart from the rest. Understanding these unspoken money secrets is not just about gaining insight into the lives of the rich and famous. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial future. By learning from those who have achieved financial success, you can pave the way for your own personal financial growth. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial prosperity? Stay tuned to discover the 7 unspoken money secrets that keep the wealthy rich. Secret 1. Strategic investments. One of the key unspoken money secrets of the wealthy is their strategic approach to investments. Strategic investments involve carefully selecting assets that have the potential to grow in value over time, rather than making impulsive or short-term decisions. By focusing on long-term growth rather than quick gains, the wealthy are able to preserve and grow their wealth effectively. Successful, affluent individuals often diversify their investment portfolios across various asset classes, such as stocks, real estate, and bonds. They also prioritize investments in industries or sectors that show long-term growth potential, rather than chasing short-term trends. By spreading their investments across different areas, they reduce the risk of losing everything if one sector underperforms. Long-term investment planning is crucial for financial stability. By investing with a long-term perspective, the wealthy can weather market fluctuations and economic downturns more effectively. This approach allows them to benefit from compounding returns over time, maximizing their wealth accumulation. In essence, strategic investments are not just about making money. They are about preserving and growing wealth over the long term. By following the example of the wealthy and adopting a strategic investment mindset, you too can set yourself up for financial success and stability in the future. Secret 2. Tax optimization. Another crucial money secret of the wealthy is their adeptness at tax optimization. High net worth individuals employ various strategies to minimize their tax liabilities legally and ethically, allowing them to retain more of their hard-earned wealth. One common tax optimization strategy used by the wealthy is taking advantage of tax-deferred investment accounts, such as retirement accounts or health savings accounts. By contributing to these accounts, they can reduce their taxable income and potentially lower their overall tax bill. Additionally, affluent individuals often engage in strategic tax planning, such as timing their capital gains or losses to minimize tax implications. They may also utilize tax-efficient investment vehicles like index funds or municipal bonds to optimize their tax efficiency while maximizing returns. Tax planning plays a crucial role in wealth management, as it can significantly impact an individual's financial well-being. By proactively managing their tax obligations, the wealthy can preserve more of their wealth for future generations and philanthropic endeavors. It is essential to emphasize the importance of staying compliant with tax laws while maximizing tax efficiency. The wealthy understand the fine line between tax optimization and tax evasion, and they prioritize ethical and legal tax strategies to ensure long-term financial stability and peace of mind. By learning from their approach to tax optimization, you too can navigate the complex tax landscape effectively and secure your financial future. Secret 3. Asset protection. Asset protection is a critical yet often overlooked money secret of the wealthy. High net worth individuals employ various strategies to safeguard their wealth from risks and uncertainties, ensuring that their hard-earned assets are protected for future generations. Asset protection involves implementing measures to shield assets from potential threats, such as lawsuits, creditors, or economic downturns. Wealthy individuals often utilize legal structures like trusts, limited liability companies, LLCs, or offshore accounts to protect their assets from external claims. Diversification is key in asset protection, as spreading investments across different asset classes and geographic regions can help mitigate risks. By diversifying their portfolios, the wealthy reduce their exposure to any single risk factor and increase the resilience of their overall wealth. Risk management is another crucial aspect of asset protection. Wealthy individuals carefully assess and manage risks associated with their investments, businesses, and personal assets to minimize potential losses. They may also purchase insurance policies or establish contingency plans to mitigate unforeseen risks. By prioritizing asset protection, the wealthy ensure that their wealth remains intact and secure even in the face of unexpected challenges. Understanding the importance of asset protection and implementing proactive strategies can help you safeguard your financial future and achieve long-term wealth preservation. Secret 4. Passive income streams. Passive income is a powerful money secret that affluent individuals leverage to generate consistent cash flow and build wealth passively. Unlike active income, which requires ongoing effort and time, passive income allows individuals to earn money with minimal ongoing involvement, providing a pathway to financial independence and long-term wealth accumulation. Passive income sources commonly used by the wealthy include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, royalties from intellectual property, and income generated from automated online businesses. These sources of passive income provide a steady stream of cash flow without the need for constant hands-on management, allowing the wealthy to diversify their income streams and build wealth over time. Diversifying passive income streams is essential for financial security. By spreading their passive income sources across different asset classes and industries, affluent individuals reduce their reliance on any single source of income and increase their resilience to economic fluctuations or market downturns. Diversification also offers a buffer against potential risks, ensuring a more stable and sustainable income stream. By understanding the power of passive income and strategically diversifying their income sources, the wealthy can create multiple streams of income that work for them, even when they're not actively working. Embracing passive income opportunities can pave the way for financial freedom and a secure financial future. Secret 5. Wealth Mindset. The wealth mindset is a transformative money secret that sets successful individuals apart from the rest. Cultivating a wealth mindset is essential for achieving financial success and unlocking one's full potential in building wealth. It involves mindset shifts, beliefs, and behaviors that align with abundance, prosperity, and success. Individuals with a wealth mindset exhibit common traits and habits that contribute to their financial success. They have a positive outlook on money and abundance, viewing wealth as a tool for creating opportunities and making a positive impact. They are proactive in seeking out opportunities for growth and wealth creation rather than being passive or reactive to financial circumstances. Developing a wealth mindset requires shifting limiting beliefs about money and embracing a mindset of abundance and possibility. It involves setting clear financial goals, practicing gratitude for current wealth and opportunities, and taking calculated risks to expand one's financial horizons. Tips for developing a positive and abundance-oriented mindset for wealth creation include surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who support and encourage financial growth, seeking out mentors or role models who embody a wealth mindset, and continuously educating oneself on financial literacy and wealth-building strategies. By embracing a wealth mindset and adopting habits and beliefs that align with financial success, individuals can unlock their full potential and create a path to lasting wealth and prosperity. Secret 6. Generational wealth planning. Generational wealth planning is a crucial money secret that the wealthy utilize to ensure the long-term financial legacy and continuity of their wealth for future generations. This strategic approach involves creating a comprehensive plan for wealth transfer and inheritance that goes beyond individual wealth accumulation to establish a lasting financial foundation for heirs. Generational wealth planning offers numerous benefits for future generations, including financial security, stability, and the preservation of family values and legacies. By implementing effective wealth transfer strategies, affluent individuals can pass down their wealth in a tax-efficient manner while minimizing potential disputes or challenges among heirs. Key elements of effective generational wealth planning include establishing trusts, wills, and other legal structures to facilitate the transfer of assets, as well as creating a clear roadmap for how wealth should be managed and distributed over time. By outlining specific instructions and guidelines for wealth transfer, individuals can ensure that their financial legacy is preserved and protected for generations to come. Educating heirs on financial responsibility and stewardship is also essential in generational wealth planning. By instilling values of financial literacy, prudent money management, and philanthropy in heirs, the wealthy can empower future generations to continue building upon the family's financial success and legacy. By prioritizing generational wealth planning and taking proactive steps to ensure the continuity of wealth across multiple generations, affluent individuals can create a lasting impact and secure a prosperous financial future for their heirs. Secret 7. Philanthropy and giving back. Philanthropy and giving back are the seventh unspoken money secret that distinguishes the wealthy for their commitment to making a positive impact on society. Beyond financial success, affluent individuals understand the importance of using their wealth to create meaningful change and leave a lasting legacy through philanthropic endeavors. Philanthropy plays a significant role in wealth management and personal fulfillment for the wealthy. By giving back to causes they are passionate about, affluent individuals not only make a difference in the lives of others, but also experience a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends monetary wealth. Engaging in philanthropy allows them to leverage their resources for the greater good and contribute to building a better world for future generations. Successful philanthropic initiatives by affluent individuals include establishing charitable foundations, funding educational programs, supporting healthcare initiatives, and investing in community development projects. Through strategic and impactful giving, the wealthy can address pressing social issues, drive positive change, and leave a meaningful legacy that extends far beyond their financial wealth. Incorporating charitable giving into financial planning is a powerful way to create a meaningful legacy and make a lasting impact on society. By integrating philanthropy into their wealth management strategies, affluent individuals can align their financial resources with their values, passions, and desire to create positive change, leaving a legacy that transcends generations. In this video, we've uncovered the 7 unspoken money secrets that keep the wealthy rich, shedding light on the lesser-known financial habits that contribute to their success. As you reflect on these insights, consider how you can apply these strategies to your own financial journey and pave the way for long-term wealth and prosperity. Recap the 7 money secrets revealed in the video: strategic investments, tax optimization, asset protection, passive income streams, wealth mindset, generational wealth planning, and philanthropy and giving back. Each of these secrets plays a crucial role in the financial success of the affluent and offers valuable lessons for individuals seeking to enhance their financial well-being. Now is the time to take action and implement these strategies in your financial planning. Whether it's diversifying your investments, optimizing your tax strategy, or cultivating a wealth mindset, small changes can lead to significant outcomes in the long run. By adopting the mindset and habits of the wealthy, you can set yourself on a path towards financial security and abundance. Don't miss out on future financial education content. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others who can benefit from these insights, and explore more resources to continue your journey towards financial empowerment. Together, let's unlock the secrets to financial success and build a brighter financial future for ourselves and generations to come.